If you are thinking about buying a new laptop or an iPad Pro right now, you need to pause and stop everything you are doing. The tablet market is about to undergo a massive disruption, and Samsung is leading the charge with a device that completely rewrites the rules of mobile computing. The upcoming flagship tablet is not just a standard upgrade. It represents a bold, calculated gamble by Samsung to dominate the ultra-premium market. From major architectural changes under the hood to substantial battery enhancements and groundbreaking software frameworks, this device is engineered to be a true primary workstation. If you are a power user, digital creator, or a professional looking for the ultimate portable powerhouse, you cannot afford to miss what is planned for this upcoming hardware release. To truly understand what makes this new device a game changer, we have to look closely at the architectural shift happening inside the engineering labs. For years, premium Android tablets relied almost exclusively on Qualcomm Snapdragon silicon. However, recent developments reveal a dramatic pivot. A teardown of the proprietary AI core application has officially exposed the model number MT6993 hidden deep within the code. This specific identifier points directly to MediaTek's latest flagship processor, the Dimensity 9300. By choosing this cutting-edge silicon, Samsung is solidifying a premium tablet identity focused heavily on sustained processing efficiency and thermal management. The architecture of this chip utilizes an all-big core configuration built on an advanced fabrication process, featuring an ultra-core clocking at astronomical speeds alongside high-performance premium cores. This translates to an unprecedented level of computational throughput. While some synthetic single-core benchmarks might show rival chips edging ahead in burst performance, the Dimensity 9300 completely dominates when it comes to sustained workloads. Traditional slim tablets often suffer from aggressive thermal throttling during intensive tasks like rendering 4K video or running complex local data models. Graphics and gaming capabilities are reaching heights never before seen on an Android device. Powering the visual processing is a high-tier graphics processing unit explicitly optimized for high frame rate rendering, complex physics engines, and advanced ray tracing capabilities. Whether you are manipulating complex three-dimensional CAD assets, editing multi-layer vector graphics, or playing the most graphically demanding open-world gaming titles, this tablet handles it with absolute fluidity. The hardware efficiency ensures that you do not see the massive frame drops or sudden battery drains that plagued previous generations of mobile devices. But raw hardware horsepower is only half the story. The real magic of this new chipset lies in its dedicated neural processing unit, which enables a suite of next-generation on-device artificial intelligence features. The AI core application leaks have revealed advanced tools that process locally on the device rather than relying on internet-dependent cloud servers. This ensures maximum data privacy and instantaneous execution. Among these features is an innovative tool called image harmonization. When you use generative editing tools to cut an object from one photo and place it into another, the tablet instantly recalculates the ambient lighting, direction of shadows, color science, and contrast curves of the entire scene. This massive leap in processing capability is paired with an uncompromising memory configuration. The tablet is dropping lower-tier memory formats entirely, starting out with a baseline of 12 gigabytes of ultra-fast LPDDR5X random access memory. This massive pool of high-speed memory ensures that you can keep dozens of browser tabs, resource-heavy applications, and large creative projects open simultaneously without the operating system closing your background tasks. Storage options start at 256 gigabytes and scale up to 512 gigabytes, with the highly revered inclusion of a physical microSD card slot for seamless expandable storage. All of this incredible processing power is funneled directly into a masterclass in-display engineering. The device features a gorgeous 12.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a razor-sharp resolution of 2800 by 1752 pixels. The 16:10 aspect ratio strikes the absolute perfect balance between widescreen media consumption and vertical screen real estate for productive split-screen multitasking. What sets this screen apart is the integration of advanced panel technology, pushing a blazing fast 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The display dynamically scales its refresh rate based on the content on your screen, dropping down to conserve power when reading a document and instantly ramping up to maximum smoothness when scrolling, sketching, or gaming. Furthermore, the peak brightness level is getting a substantial boost, targeted to hit up to 1600 nits. Of course, a massive display and a high-performance processor require a serious amount of electrical current to sustain operation. The hardware certification databases reveal brand-new battery cells with a rated capacity of 10,090 mAh, indicating that the tablet will hit a massive typical market rating of roughly 10,200 mAh. When you combine this physically larger battery cell with the incredible power efficiency of the MediaTek Dimensity silicon, the real-world endurance metrics look phenomenal. Power users can confidently expect true all-day battery life, easily pushing past 10 to 12 hours of continuous heavy productivity workflows. When it does come time to replenish the cell, Samsung is maintaining its reliable 45-watt wired superfast charging protocol, allowing you to rapidly juice up this massive power cell in just a short charging session. On the software front, the tablet is expected to debut running an incredibly polished iteration of Android, layered underneath the highly refined One UI interface. This software stack is precisely optimized to bridge the gap between traditional mobile computing and a complete desktop experience. The crown jewel of this software ecosystem is the heavily upgraded DeX workflow environment. When you activate DeX mode, the interface completely transforms from a standard tablet grid into a highly functional desktop layout, complete with a taskbar, comprehensive window management, and full keyboard and mouse optimization. The integration of local AI processing within this environment means that windowed multitasking feels incredibly intuitive, making the handling of complex data spreadsheets, coding environments, or multi-track audio editing setups feel like a native desktop experience. The physical construction of the tablet perfectly mirrors its premium internal hardware. The device retains a masterfully engineered, ultra-slim aluminum unibody chassis with completely flat, modern edges, a highly compact footprint, and a remarkably thin profile. Despite this razor-thin form factor, structural rigidity is uncompromised. The back of the tablet features the signature magnetic glass strip designed to securely hold and wirelessly charge the low-latency S Pen, which remains the gold standard for digital artists and note-takers. Additionally, the device retains its robust IP68 dust and water resistance rating, ensuring that unexpected liquid spills will not compromise your investment. As we look at global market trends, supply chain insights suggest a restructured pricing tier for the US and global premium markets, positioning this flagship tablet as a premium, long-term laptop replacement. The upcoming hardware is shaping up to be an absolute tour de force in the technology ecosystem, blurring the line between mobility and raw desktop productivity. It stands as a definitive statement that tablets are no longer just passive media consumption slabs. They are fully realized, high-performance computing centers designed for the modern professional. What are your thoughts on this massive hardware shift? Is the inclusion of the advanced MediaTek silicon and the upgraded on-device AI capabilities enough to make you ditch your traditional laptop or bypass the iPad Pro? Feel free to share your perspectives as we continue to track this evolving hardware ecosystem.